welcome to my first episode of my trail review series. Today we're going to visit one of the trails at Collier-Seminole State Park, located in Naples, Florida.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
The park is located about 8.5 miles from Collier Boulevard, heading east on Miami Trail. So it's a really short drive from Naples. Before hitting the trail, I had to stop and check out this piece of history. This is the last existing Bay City walking dredge. It was built in 1924 and it was used to build the Miami Trail Highway through the Everglades and the Big Cypress Swamp, linking Tampa and Miami and opening Southwest Florida to travelers. It's pretty crazy to think how much work went into making this land accessible. If you're into history, this is a cool little detour before the hike even begins. From here, I'm making my way to the trailhead. There's actually only one hike that's inside the state park, like behind those gates that we came in through. The other three are located about half a mile away from the entrance of the state park, so I had to drive and then park in a little rest area and then walk to the trailhead. The trail I'm going to attempt today is the Flatwoods Trail, which is approximately 3.3 miles and is a smaller loop of the bigger loop of the Collier-Seminole Trail. So for this hike, I started at the Florida Trail, but I probably only made it about a quarter mile before I had to turn and get off the trail just due to all the trail conditions. I guess after the hurricane, there's a lot of downed trees and there was a lot of flooding in the area, and I just couldn't, even though I had hiking shoes on, I just really was not up for treading through mud for the rest of the afternoon. I was just doing this as a little mini hike, a little detour of the day, and I was going to dinner after, so I was definitely not getting in 3 feet of mud at that point. But besides that, I really did enjoy this trail. I would recommend that you only hike this one in the winter. The mosquitoes are really bad out here once the spring and summer season start. Since there was so much flooding, I ended up just hiking through the service road. The whole trail is mostly flat, and there are a lot of palmettos and you can see some old cypress. But my favorite thing about this trail is that it is so secluded. I only saw one person walking their dog while I was hiking, and that was only at the beginning. And then after that, I did not see not one soul out there. So it's one of my favorite hikes for Collier-Seminole State Park. for this hike, I would definitely recommend good hiking boots, lots of bug spray, and I would only attempt it in the winter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more state park adventures.